Hey guys, we have a quick unboxing to do. Today is Wednesday, the Wednesday before Thanksgiving. So these just came in and I'm super excited, mainly about this one. This is just a pair of Coco push-ups from, hi Cece, Fabric Friends and Dolls. I keep forgetting exactly what their name is again. Excuse me. But this is just a whole bunch of chaos. I got 2 unpainted heads and a T-painted head. Yeah, so I don't know what I got. I didn't open it, I just took it out of the bag. Then I started feeling sick, and here we are. So let's get this fun stuff open so we know if we're keeping this stuff or potentially selling this stuff. Hello, nosy kitty. Psst. Hi. We've had Cece for a year yesterday. Can't believe it. Time has just gone so fast, you guys. I can't believe it's November already. Wow, this year's almost over. Anyway, let's get to this. This way. Okay. Ooh, what do I see? What do I see? I see blue. Cece, go away. You can't fit in the box. So, let's see. Wow, I see a blue head. Let's just take everything out. Oh my gosh, Cece. Go and I'll give it to you. Here. Come on. There. Try to fit in the box. Exactly. You can't fit. I'm still gonna try. Anyway, let's see what goodies we got. Sorry, you guys. I just woke up. We'll say that. So, we have a blue head. I have no clue who this is. It's a GO1. So, I'll have to figure out who this is. I don't know who one is. So, we'll figure out who this is. Yeah. Yeah. Sort of blue smart doll. Head. Okay. And we have a T head. And this is a GO2. Gotta figure out who this is. Lots of research with this box. Let's just get some water. Sorry, you guys. I wonder who we got. Okay, so it's not who I was hoping for, and I'm not going to tell you guys who I was hoping for. So it's not who I was hoping for, but... oh, she has freckles. Yeah, she's a keeper. I love my freckled girls. I don't know who she is, but she is cute. Oh, and I'm about to buy some semi-real eyes. Never mind, I know what color eyes you're gonna have, and I have a pair. So, we need to figure out who she is. Once I figure out who she is, I'll go ahead and put her together, and we will see who she is together. Be back, guys. Hey guys, I was so excited when we opened up that Chaos semi-real doll that I totally forgot about this package. But since then, this package has arrived. Plus these three and this one. So I have some unboxings to do. But for right now, we're going to finish this one up and then start another one. Scissors are here. We have all the dogs. Nosy CC. So let's see what's in this pink package. Don't mind the crunching in the background. That's just Lola eating. That girl. Smell good, CC? There we go. Okay. Oh, I know what this is. This is the Etsy shop. And here are the names. I think I got the last few name tags that she was making. So, this one is Jaya. What else do we have? Mina finally gets hers. Jackie. Miss Semi-Real Liberty. And Corey. And I guess this was a bonus necklace. It's really cute. Not sure who's gonna wear this because it has so much bling. Wow. Love it. So I'm definitely gonna thank her for this. And I can't wait to see the other name plates because she can't make any more of these for some reason. So she said that she'd be working on some new name plates or name necklaces for dolls. So we got that. Put everything back, nothing gets lost. And we're done with that. Nothing here, nothing else in here. Okay, now this is a custom blue head that I had requested by Magical Designs. I think the actual name of the shop is SD for Smart Doll Magical Designs. So let's see what my head looks like. I've seen pictures and videos, but I want to see her up close. These scissors aren't working very well. Okay. Let's see, this is... No, so I guess it is just Magical Design. She gave me a keychain. And a sticker. And her business card for all her information. But we're friends on Facebook, so I know all of this. So we have those goodies. Oh, something else down here. What's this? Got a cute little pin with the name on it. This is cute. Don't need the box anymore. Okay. Here, so you guys can see her and get some light on the subject. Okay, I want to look at her first before I show you guys. Sorry. Oh, I like her. She looks really nice. So here she is. I wanted a Sally. I saw that she made one for another customer, but I wanted mine to have like gold accents in her eyes, as you can see. But she's gonna look good. I have some perfect eyes for her. So I'm gonna get her together, figure out a wig, and we're unfortunately gonna have to borrow Casima's body because we don't have another blue body. So we're gonna go ahead and get this lady situated, and we'll be right back. Okay, so here she is. Let's get some more light on her. I decided to go ahead and give her some green eyes. We don't have too many blondes in our collection, so for now she's going to be a blonde. And of course we're borrowing Casima's body and her outfit, to be honest. But there she is. Sally looks very cute. Now we just have to find Sally her own body. That will be the tricky part. So that's it. You guys take care and keep watching. Hey guys, we have some unboxings to continue to open. So let's just get to that box over there that I've had, I don't know, for about 2 weeks. I've just been so tired and still recuperating from my back surgery. So, but doing this always makes me happy, so let's get into it. We got this from Fabric Friends and Dolls. I told you what it was probably in the last unboxing, but never got a chance to open it. So I ordered this from them once I saw that this item had been sold out on Danny's website, so I had to get it. We have our Cocoa push-up that they discontinued. I think this was the last one that they had in stock. So I think I'm most likely gonna give this to my very first Cocoa girl, who was Persia. She's waited about 5-6 months for a pair, so I think she deserves this. So we have our push-ups. And let's get to the Christmas gifts for the girls. This was already open because it had a 2-parter and the other outfit belonged to another doll. So, but this is the actual Christmas gift for one of the smart dolls. And this is from one of my favorite shops, Elite Doll World. So if you follow them on Instagram, they might have posted on their Facebook too, I'm not sure. But they definitely posted on their Instagram. But if you follow them on Instagram, you saw all their beautiful colored coats. I really like the lime green and turquoise one, but I kind of wanted something basic that can go with everything. So I went ahead and I got this one. This is so soft, I'm actually jealous. It's lined, as you can see. I mean, they always make fabulous stuff for the smart dolls and other dolls. That's the thing about it. They don't just sell, they don't just make stuff for smart dolls. So we have our nice soft coat. Okay, so we have that. This is the rest of the Christmas outfits for some of the girls. And this is from Angel Marie Boutique, also on Etsy. So they basically took a break. So I went ahead and I placed this order at the beginning of November for some of their sequence dresses. So we have a red one, we have a green one, and we have a gold one. Perfect for Christmas. So we got this. And our last package, I don't even know who this is from, but I'll remember when I open it. I think it's from, am I right? Yeah, Doll Jerry. I think that's how you pronounce their name. But I got two things for the girls. First was this beautiful floral dress that I love this dress. Now, this is a piece that I would wear if it came in my size. I mean, look at it. It is so soft. I don't know if it's satin or not, but this is some fabulous fabric. And this is going to look so good on one of the girls. Jealous. See, there it is. And the thing that I like about them is they always include a picture of the outfit, so you always know what's in the package. That's really cute and helpful. Besides the fact that you can see it, but I'll have some picture cards. So this is going to be a gift. And we went ahead and we got the Santa outfit. I'm not sure who's going to wear this, but we had to get it. Oh, no card with this outfit, but that's okay. This thing is fabulous, well made, detailed. I mean, look at this, all of these layers. Someone is gonna be adorable in this dress. I actually forgot that I ordered it, but I'm glad that I did. So that is it for the Smart Dolls. I still have 35 more packages out there somewhere coming to me. So I will be busy doing unboxing. So as always, stay safe and keep watching, you guys. See you later.